Hello, in this video I am going to explain you how to install Drupal. So this is from where you will download the Drupal. Then you will keep, I have already downloaded this file Drupal 7.43, and then you will go inside your www directory and keep that file. Over here you extract this file like I'm extracting now. So this is the extracted file. So now you need to create a database in phpMyAdmin, which I have already created. The database name is drup. So now what will I do? I'll go to the browser, one two seven is my localhost IP address. I will paste the directory name which I created in www directory. This screen will come. You will keep the standard selected, say save and continue, then English built in, then again say save and continue. So the database name, it is MySQL which we are using. So database name is Drup. Database username is root for me on local, and there is no password for root right now. So say save and continue. Now it will ask me for it's taking little bit of time, so I'll just pause. So now the system is installing Drupal. After this it will ask me for the site name. Now it has completely installed the Drupal. Now in this screen it will ask for the site name. Here you can give your email address. This username will be the main admin username. I'll take it as an admin. This email address will be the admin site maintenance email address. I'll just copy this one again, and then the password. Country, I'll select USA. Time zone will be any time zone. Now the Drupal has been installed. You can click visit new site. So here come the home page of the installed Drupal. Because I am logged in, that is why this admin menu is coming, otherwise it will not come. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. This is study99.com.